This is a torque screwdriver kit perfect for electricians and other professionals. The set is nicely packed in a comfortable fabric pouch with the CK logo at the top. A belt clip located at the back of the case allows for easy and convenient carrying. The main part of a kit is a screwdriver handle that enables to adjust torque in the range from 1.5 to 3 Nm. The set contains two different interchangeable screwdriver blades, with Posidriv 1 and 2 heads. The torque can be adjusted at the head of the handle with the included Allen key. For more information, go to tme.eu.